Hello traders, and welcome to this weekly forex forecast with your Ewinningstrategy. We are going to go through dollar, yens, euros, pound, New Zealand's, Canadians, Australians, whatever you want us to do. We will look at it technically, fundamentally, or just, what would you call it? From an objective point of view, we have Mr. Amir already in. That's good. That's cool. Really love that. That's amazing. So yeah, welcome traders. Trading forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever's happened in the past does not need to happen in the future. So if you are scared of your trades, you either lack experience or you have too high risk that you can't really afford, and you should not really be in the market. So have a trading strategy that really works for you. I think I can't stress that enough, that if you have a strategy, please prove it first on demo or something close to that. That would be so much better. All right. So just making sure everyone is coming in. And if you have any, whatever you call it, pairs you want me to cover, please say them out loud so I can do them before, I don't know, I forget about it. So cool, yeah. Now we just need to disable some notifications, then we are good to go. Hi, Moses, EN, and GJ. Cool, we have already pairs. That's cool, that's good. How was your weekend, people? Have you guys been reading for the next week? Have you guys updated your brain? Have you guys refreshed your brain? I am going to try to be a good teacher today, as I don't know if always, but at least today I have made my passion for that. So yeah, what's going on? This might not be a therapy session, but yeah, let's check the sound. Forgot to do that. But yeah, cool. Hi, Adrian. So what I want us to do now is checking sound, just cool. Okay. I want us to have a very good view. So I have been reading about the stimulus things, and I really need to read more about it. I think it was Investing.com that had an article about on Friday they failed to come to an agreement about the stimulus. That is really a thing. So, and then Trump says he wants a bigger deal after the election. So is that going to make dollar go strong? That is a potential. So I was just like with the other students of mine, my YouTube members. Thank you for all of you. Can't mention one names, but you know who you are. Thank you. You make this, I don't know, make it worthwhile to be here still. So any stimulus can really shift the whole market. Any talks, any rumors, that kind of shenanigan. Okay. Other than that, what is really happening here? Okay, just taking away my thing here. What is really happening here? So here we have clearly a bullish market. Okay, 100% bullish market. But what really happened here? Okay, is it a pullback? No, is it pullback? Is it a retracement? Okay, so is it a pullback? So those are normal pullbacks, okay? Then we're kind of, if you can add maybe like 100, so it comes down to the 100 EMA, okay? In a daily uptrend, coming down to the fair value of 100 EMA, okay? I wouldn't like it, but okay. So what is characterized by a pullback? Pullback is coming back to support. So is this really just weekly support? Potentially. So potentially. A retracement. So what's the difference between the pullback and a retracement? Pullback, as I see it, is price coming back to support. And difference to retracement is if you have an uptrend and then retracement is coming back down to maybe like 61, so it's a whole new trend, mini trend, and it goes beyond support and then it finds a larger support. So for me, a retracement instead a new trend. Is this a new trend? Well, let's go to the next one. Is this a new trend? Well, that is not known until this is determined. What is happening in this area? That will determine, does it make a new lower low or does it continue higher? We don't know that, okay? So technical is saying we don't know yet if it's a new trend. We don't know if this was just a pullback or if it's actually a retracement. And for people to act upon that, which I showed in the video yesterday on the resale traders, you shouldn't be shorting this on the daily. This isn't bearish on the daily. It could have been here. Yes. Let's go down to 4 hours. So if you were in the early gang, let's take that away. If you were in the early gang, that is coming down to support, but also then you're expecting a new lower low. So you kind of got that, but you also got a failed higher high at this point. So in this area, you were allowed to sell. It's a first trade, but yeah. The other part is then this. What is this price? I don't know if I said in this live webinar, but I went through my YouTube webinar and I set a price of 70.95. No jokes. And that seems to be, or maybe 95.50. But that is literally the price. Okay. So okay, so let's take this one. Is this a pullback? Is this a retrace? Or is this a trend? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. So pullback, retracement, or trend. Pullback is coming back to support. Where is support? There is support, so it's not a pullback. Is that a retracement? Retracement is a higher time frame support. Mini trend seems to me like it. Is it a new trend? Yeah, potentially, but it didn't fall through. So maybe if we go down to at least not on 4 hour, it's not a new trend. So it's just a retracement. When do we know it's a retracement? Before we, like, do we know in ahead where is this a retracement? No, we don't. So how do we know if this is bearish or bullish? Retracement or trend? We don't know that until it has stopped. Pullback. And in this area. So this fall is considered to be a bearish fall. But the real deal is really here. So does it continue here? Yes or no? Or does it continue higher? Yes or no? So then that answers the question. This was what did we call it? We called it retracement. But it's bullish. And you then had the opportunity to buy here and buy here or here, whatever that is, and then it went. Okay, cool. Just technicals is on today. So basically we are bullish at the moment. And yeah, but that can change. I have to keep that on my mind. I'm not a saint anymore. So we're just going to say, okay, if price comes back down to 72, we are willing and able to buy it up. If you are a seller, what do you want to see? Well, that would make you vulnerable, but you basically need to break support. Where is current support? Current support is on the 4 hour, is this one. On 1 hour, let's take that away. Yeah, that one. So it needs to break 71.90. So it has to come down all the way down here, come back up again, and then you can short it. Okay? Until you have broken 71.90, you can sell it. Hi, Sunny. What's your take on gold? This coming election, if Biden wins, Trump wins. Okay, cool. I was in New Zealand. I will do so too. Hi, Nzola. You still haven't figured out how to write my name. Cool. We have to do a class of that. Silver and gold, please. Moses. Bon asks for pound dollar. Good. Weekend was good. Moses, awesome. Hello, Adrian. So, I just said that we're looking for support at 72. Though this is not investment advice. It's only what I think is going to happen. But that's what I want to happen. Okay? So if that happens, that is that. As a bull, you also have the other, I don't know, plan. So plan A. How do you use bar? Can't spell it. B. Okay, so plan A and plan B. Plan A is plan A, but if you then get aggressive move, how is that going to look like? That's going to look like this. It is going to open up target 73.15, sorry. 73.15. That's our target. And then fall. And then it can even fall further past. What is happening? Okay, guys. I lost internet. Interesting. That doesn't happen too often. Okay, fast forward. Price coming back down to 72. That's what I want to do. 71. $71.90 and then up to 73. Those are the prices, and then I use 50 pips stop loss. It's only for bulls. And then if you need, and then that's buyers, and then sellers, close What's happening with you recently? Really, people? Okay, so you have to have a close below 71.90 and coming back to 71.90 basically. And the other one was aggressive up to 74. So let's continue. The other one is if it opens up higher, then Friday close is going to be aggressive one. Then we can go to how is election going to impact trading? Okay, I can do a thing here where I have put out articles in my Discord channel, in my mentorship group. If Trump wins, dollar is supposed to get weak. Dollar is getting weakened. And if Trump wins, stock market is going to rise radically. And if Biden wins, generally stock market is going to fall, but also green stocks will skyrocket because he wants to put $2,000 billion into sustainable sector in America. So yeah. I have articles in my Discord channel, so if you want to join my Discord channel, I don't know, at least my mentorship. So if you want to go, there it is. It's in here somewhere. I will find the articles for you after the live. Okay, so for Euro New Zealand, what is happening really here? So I think I said selling was the thing until it makes a higher high. It did make a higher high, it did come back, and that's your buy. Take profit, TP, boom, congratulations on that. Now, what is this? Like, what in the loving God is happening here? I think this is now bearish. Maybe again, maybe I will say that again. But I have a theory from 12th of Sept to 1st of October. This one is rising. And then from 1st of October to 1st of Jan, this one is going to fall. Okay? So this is basically the price. That price has to hold above, so 80. Until January. And then we can do whatever we want in the meantime. We can do like this, but it has to generally stay below 180. So this week, basically just waiting for price to come back up to 177 or 178.50. And then short down to 75. That's that. Hi Maria. Uses Armoses, I will do that in the end. Generally looking for shorts on this one. But yeah, this could be support for buyers. But if it happens, it happens. Okay, cool. But generally speaking, at the best of my ability at the moment, this is what is happening. Okay. And then if it doesn't make a higher high, cool. Don't look for me. Don't come for me. This is a theory that I have, that this is going to hold until January. Okay. So either at 77 or 78.50. Peace out. Peace. Use the knock, please. We can do that, okay? Use the knock. Okay. I want to go do monthly first for you, Maria. So what happened just literally is right now, Maria is one of my YouTube members. She has first priority on pairs I want to cover. So since she said her opinion, I will take her first. So if you want to do that, please join the membership as a way to sponsor this channel, but also you get your own live webinars every Sunday. I also post charts only for you on my YouTube channel in the community chat. So yeah, enjoy. That doesn't go to my Discord, it doesn't go anywhere else, just there. At least first. 920 is definitely resistance. We are currently bearish. Oh, I'm struggling. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Ultimate target for this month is 8.5. I don't think that's very plausible, but okay. We are generally going to go down, but I don't know if we're going to make a double top before the election. So that's really the risk. But as you can see here, sell, sell. Then I would say sell here too. So $9.21 and $9.25. pip SL or above R1, so that would be up here. So it would be above this price here. So if 921 does above 930, target is 9, and I will let it go. Then every day you get prices because that this is the weekly, up here and then down. If you don't get it, you don't get it, don't care. Daily, as you can see here, couldn't do 1 hour. Sell, sell, and then M3, that's 920. So there is daily, weekly, monthly, looking to 920 at the moment to short from. Okay, so short, don't, no, okay, that maybe go out, new low, pull back, new low, pull back, get out, or you add out, short, short. So in this market might be a bit difficult, but generally speaking, that's what you're looking for. I sold here and I got stopped out here and I didn't miss all that. That annoys me crap out of me, but the stream says reconnecting. Do you still hear me? Cool. Okay, we're still back on track now. That's all good. So we have a new YouTube member. Very much welcome. I'm deeply humbled that you have signed up for my membership. Any prayers you want me to cover? And now don't laugh at me. I will try. But Dirk or Truong? Sounds like you're from Malaysia or Indonesia, but I don't know. Let's see if I said it wrong. I'm just literally trying out of my ability as a Norwegian. And then, or if I said it wrong, you can send me an email or a voice message with how I'm supposed to say it. A very angry email. Anyways, what else? Pound dollar. Yeah, I will do that at the end, Moses. I definitely see the it, but I will do it in the end. I don't get much request for it, so I feel like it's a bit. I don't know what happened to my South African friends. They left me somewhere. Like that was very. Maybe that was when I was on Facebook. I was on Facebook for 9 months, but and they were coming from the pure price action group, but maybe it wasn't fast enough for them. I wasn't giving them good enough. I wasn't giving them day trades. But anyways, what is really happening here? Support, 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 support. So basically, we are now bullish. We're then looking for the bullish price, which is down here at 1910. And we're looking for price to go up to minimally 960, but also 2000. Is this bearish? No, it's not. Can this fall from here? Yes, but price is not bearish. Very straightforward, nothing else than that. Same with silver. We have you're wanting price to come back to 24.40. Why? Because that's support. Okay, and then you're just being patient. If price just goes straight up, opens up, how does that look like really? Okay, let's do that then. This can happen to all the dollar pairs as well, so I guess it's okay. Price opens up here, comes back, and has a wick down here to the open of 25.11, and then it just goes like that, and then it just goes straight up. Like, as you can see, I didn't even put any pullbacks. And then if it comes too hot too fast, and then it's going to drop. And by Wednesday, it might even be lower than the entry price of the week. Okay, so that's what I would call an aggressive trade. That happens to all the dollar pairs, silver, gold. It doesn't happen, but that's a potential for all those dollar pairs. Okay, cool. Is it bad if your wife sends you 6 voice messages? Like, am I being, well, am I in trouble? Can somebody tell me, like, is there any females here? Am I in trouble? 6 voice messages, averaging 40 seconds. Well, I told her I was live. Anyways, that was that. So that was gold. Generally bullish. Wait for price to come back to support. If not, let it go. Also, you can go down to daily pivot points every day if you have those, and buy zones. Then you're just basically just buying dips. And how did it go lately? I don't know how it went. Okay, so